Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Up. In today's video, I'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook Lite account. You should be aware that Facebook Lite has limited features relative to Facebook, but you can follow these simple steps to deactivate your Facebook Lite account. Now let's get to the video. First, open the app on your phone. Here we are on the home page. Tap the three horizontal line at the top right corner. Here on this page, scroll down and tap on Settings under Settings and Privacy. Unfortunately, the Account Center feature is not available within the Facebook Lite app. Therefore, tap on the search bar at the top. On this tab, type Account Center and hit Search. Here on this page, you can see various options. Tap on Personal Details. As you can see, you are directly directed to a new page, that is Personal Details. Now, tap on the lowest tab of the page, that is Account Ownership and Control. Here you can see two tabs. Tap on the lower tab. Again, tap on your profile. Since we are here to deactivate our account, tap on Deactivate Account and then tap on Continue. Here on this page, provide a password for security purpose and tap on Continue. Here on this page, Facebook Lite is asking for a reason to deactivate your account. Select one, then tap on Continue. Again, tap on Continue. On this page, you can tap on the highlighted tab to continue using Messenger. Now, to continue deactivating your account, tap on Deactivate My Account. And with that, your account has been deactivated, which might seem tricky at first, but has only few steps and is quick. Easy, right? So if you like this video, don't forget to hit share and subscribe to the channel for more.